Good evening, all. It is my pleasure and at the same time feeling whether I can hold it high for a person whom I am introducing today. He is a vibrant personality himself. Mole, a small village near Atni, lived a family with farming background, headed by Sri Bhupal Satappa Balikai. Nothing much to do as farming was the bread and butter, the incoming source with hardship of nature. The family was happy with the day-to-day life. And yes, on 23rd August 1982, they were blessed with a baby boy. Days passed from a baby to a toddler to a young boy. With no much facilities in the village, the kid was admitted to modern English school at Sirguppi, where he did his schooling till 5th, and then the further schooling at Sanjay Gandhi English Medium School at Atni. Here the journey starts of dreaming and achieving something in life. This is where the dream brought him to Belgaum. He did his further studies in Maratha Mandal's College of Pharmacy, Belgaum. After the completion of college, he started up as a pharmacist by profession. He worked as a district manager and area manager in Censura Pharma from 2005 to 2010. He also started a small venture by the name Padma Shri Medicals. It is said, if you want to be and work hard, you have to be supported by your family too. And this is the time when he got married in 2007. And when you are dreaming to achieve, you never are satisfied. So he started High Tech Advertisers in 2010, which now has branches in Chikodi and Atni. Addition to that, a new venture was launched with the name High Tech Doors, a manufacturing unit in 2013. Yes, here starts the making of High Tech into a brand. This when the TVS appointed High Tech as authorized main dealers for Belgaum district in 2016 with branches at Third Gate, Tilakvadi, Belgaum, Atni and Khanapur. With a lots of hardship and dedication in 2018, fetched one more feather in the cap of High Tech Motors, Ashok Leyland dealers for the Belgaum and Bagalkot district with branches at Belgaum, Gokak, Mudol, Atni and many more. Added to the list is another dealership in the year 2020, which is the recent one. Everyone was, I doubt, in the pandemics, and this guy was at his... yeah. Dealers in the year 2020 with High Tech Motors and Automobiles Private Limited. PGO, a three-wheeler segment for electrical and diesel vehicles. And the list is to continue yet. Hoping for that. With all this business and career, he has always been socially attached with society too. He joined Rotary Club of Venugram, Belgaum in 2016. He is also a member of Jain International Trade Organization, Belgaum chapter, Joint Secretary for All India Jain Minority Federation, member of Dakshin Bharat Jain Sabha, member of Bullet Gurus, which campaigns for Save Western Ghats and Save Himalayas, where me, Jagat, Sujit and Vinay, we all are together over there. Member of Belgaum Automobile Association, member of Karnataka Jain Association. He has supported more than 20 students for their school and hostel fees. He has donated blood more than 72 times. He has pledged his eye after the death and has made awareness of I Pledge campaign and collected more than 130 I Pledge donors. Hats off. He has received a Lifetime Achievement Award by Manikbag Jain Boarding on its 100-year celebration. Received Best Rotarian of the Year in 2018. Awarded with NCC C certificate in college and attended the prestigious RD and NIC parade. As it is, he is also a state volleyball player. Some more achievements to his credit. Best Youth Rotarian, Best Manager in Centura Pharma. His leadership has achieved best market shares maintained in Ashok Leyland and TVS. Achievements, Best Market Share Growth, Best Customer Service Satisfaction, and awarded by the legendary MS Dhoni for Best Sales in TVS Star City for Karnataka. He loves to ride, trek, swim, and play cricket. Happily married to Charushila, who is a lecturer at the Department of Chemistry, GSS College, and the great support to him in all his activities. They are blessed with one son, Prithvi. This is actually a story which tells one can achieve what he dreams by sheer hard work and commitment. With this brief intro, I present to you Rotarian Viran Balikai Bhupal Rotary Club of Venugram Secretary 2021-22 for this August gathering. Thank you.